Hey everyone! Generating an API key in Google AI Studio is the essential first step in integrating Gemini's intelligence into your own applications. In 2026, the process is streamlined to get you from the dashboard to your code in under a minute. Step 1. Accessing the API Key menu. We're starting on the Google AI Studio home screen. We're heading to the sidebar menu on the left. We do this because Google centralizes all developer credentials under a dedicated key icon to keep them separate from your creative prompts. Look for the icon that looks like a small key or labeled Get API Key. It is typically located right above the settings or feedback icons in the lower part of the left sidebar. Step 2. Choosing your project environment. Now we're in the API Keys Management screen. We're heading to the Project Selection dropdown. We do this to ensure your API key is tied to the correct Google Cloud project for billing and usage tracking. Click the gray button labeled Create API Key if you're starting fresh. If you already have a Google Cloud project set up, you can also pick your project from the list. Step 3. Copying and securing your key. We're heading to the Generation Confirmation pop-up. We do this to grab the specific string of characters that will authorize your app's requests to Gemini. A long string will appear. Click the copy icon next to it. Do not share this key. If your key is leaked, unauthorized users can use your quota. Always store it in a .env file or a secure secret manager. Never hard-coded in your public GitHub repository. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.